This life is not balanced. Okay, so some people don't do work but they earn 30k month. This life is not balanced. Okay, so some people don't do work but they earn 30k monthly. Is it possible? Yes, if you get it right, if you get right information. Okay guys, so this is what I will explain for you on this video. Okay, get this money. Make sure you don't skip any important information on this video. If you are new to my channel, my name is Olorunwa. I make video on how to make money online, dollar and crypto arbitrage, general graphic design and spiritual tips. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and let's dive into today's tutorial. Okay, sincerely you are doing nothing with this site. Okay, sincerely you are doing nothing with this. As you can see it here, with Gain you can make money by simply sharing your internet. That is exactly what you needed to do, okay, in this site. Okay, so what you needed now is to register with the link below under this video description. So the link is there, and then you are going to get $5. Okay guys, so aside from this one, now you can average amount you can earn is $55 in a month. As you can see it here, let me just throw it down here. So the average amount you can earn in a month is $55, but in a month you can use $10,000 naira, 20,000 naira, 30,000 naira in a month. So I'm going to practicalize everything for you so that you'll be able to understand it. If you are using a laptop, just make sure you download the Gain an app and make sure it runs underground so that you can make. Okay guys, so this is my phone now, and you can see that I have already installed it on my phone. Do you see this? This is Gain. Okay, so now what I needed to do now is to just click on it like this, and it will pop up and you will see what I'm saying exactly. Okay, as you can see it here now, you can see the Gain is running. When you off your data, the earning will stop running, and if you on your data, it will continue. And if you want to get more money with this Gain, what you needed to do is to just sign in into different phone with the same details, and and you can earn more money. At the end of the month, you will see the amount you will get, and then the payout here is just $20. Okay, don't forget that if you sign in with the link I told you about, you are getting $5. When you remove $5 from $20, that is $15. At the end of the month, if you be able to get your $15, you will be able to withdraw the $20. And then don't forget that to withdraw is very simple. You can withdraw in 3 ways. Okay guys, so you can withdraw with paper accounts, paper money, and then if you are in country where paper is not working, you can withdraw through your Bitcoin, or you go to Play Store, you download Jump Task. When you download Jump Task, you can process your withdrawal with this one. So that is how you can withdraw with this Gain. Just leave it like that. Make sure it's running. Whatever you are doing, you are browsing, you are doing anything, just continue doing it under it, and it will running, and you get your money every month. So that is how this Gain is working. Okay guys, if you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.